All right, so let's go down the crypto route. Welcome to the iWealth podcast. We're joined by Mr. Brad Connors, the owner of iWealth today, and you're talking a little bit about this crypto thing because it keeps coming up again and again and again. People are ready to switch their money, and I don't know. Does it work? Fill me in. Teach me.
Yeah. So first of all, we can't sell crypto to clients. We've had clients call in and say, "Hey, can we buy Bitcoin or whatever?" And we can't sell it. It's really money. It's an exchange of money. And so there's several apps and different places out there that you can go and buy crypto if you want to. And then there's all kinds of crypto, right? From Dogecoin to Ethereum, and it just the list goes
regular
on
Bitcoin.
and on. Yeah. There's starting to be some ETFs and things like that you can invest in. I mean, it's like back when gold came out and you can invest in gold. You just didn't have any exchanges. You could go buy the physical gold, but there was no like ETFs or things like that until they had some spot gold that you could get. It's the same thing with this crypto. But what's interesting is what people don't understand is when they buy crypto, the government now is asking them if they bought crypto.
You're signing up for a lot of rigmarole on your financials, right?
You could be. You could be. Right.
And because it sets off a red flag.
Yeah. And again, I'm no crypto expert, but what's gone on is that it's went all the way up to the Supreme Court where the IRS has went to these crypto places and said, give me your name, address, email address, phone number for these people buying crypto. And then they're matching that up with your tax return saying, okay, did Matt buy crypto? Matt said no, but he's on this list. Now we better investigate why he's on this list that he owns crypto. So you better be honest and tell him you bought crypto. And they've caught people that have bought crypto, said they didn't, and they've been paying some taxes on it. So I'm not quite sure that this whole tax game, when I first learned of crypto, I thought that's what it was, is there's going to be this tax game where you can exchange and not have to pay taxes on it and stuff like that. I don't know if that, like if you're going to buy a Tesla car with crypto, I think they're going to be sales tax on that car and that kind of thing. Yeah. What I do believe wholeheartedly is blockchain is here to stay.
Yep.
I think someday down the road you're gonna go in and buy a house and get a mortgage, and your mortgage is going to be on blockchain. It's your mortgage. You're going to buy insurance on that house, and it's going to be on blockchain, and it's going to have a key to it. And you're going to have a wallet on your phone that's going to have all these documents and stuff in it. So I think blockchain is here. The question is how do you invest in it, right? Do you just gamble in a currency like a Bitcoin or a Dogecoin, or do you maybe buy the companies that are building the infrastructure for blockchain? And there's starting to be some investments out there now that are doing that are the companies that blockchain are built on, that you can start to say, okay, I don't know which one to choose, so I'm going to buy this ETF, let's say, with 20 different holdings in it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. I can't recommend anyway. But it's interesting because you're right. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's talking about it.
The people that are passionate are passionate to a really, really high level, to the point that it's like almost hysteria that's going around with it. Right.
And you buy, all of a sudden you buy Bitcoin at 60,000, it's at 30,000. It's like buying a stock at 60 and it goes to 30. I mean, you put $10,000 in it and now it's worth $5. So, Bitcoin or any of that crypto can be that volatile, but some form, some fashion is here. It's just what do you invest in and how do you hang on to it?
If somebody wants to learn about those type of options, can they come in and sit down with you for a little bit?
We can have a conversation about it. Again, I can't recommend it, but they need to understand that it's really an exchange of money. You're taking dollars and you're exchanging for Bitcoin. There's been like professional athletes that have taken some money in Bitcoin that you can go on Google and read about. Again, what's interesting is all of a sudden, if you take your $10 million this year in Bitcoin at 60,000 Bitcoin, and now it's at 30, I mean, if you took it in dollars, the dollar's not going to fluctuate as much.
That much.
Right?
Yeah.
So do you really want to sell your house, get 400 grand in Bitcoin today, and hopefully it grows to 600 or it's worth 200? I mean, that's the exchange I just don't get. I don't understand that. I understand that you're buying Bitcoin as an investment, like a stock, hoping it goes up. I just don't understand the exchange part yet because it's really volatile, and I don't think I want to sell my house and take it in Bitcoin.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's a little bit about Bitcoin. We'll see you back here next time.
All right.